In this video, we are going to discuss about multiplication and division of integers. So before we proceed to the operations, let us first discuss the rules to follow in multiplying and dividing integers. So rule number 1, multiplying or dividing two integers of the same sign, the sign of their product or quotient is positive. For rule number 2, multiplying or dividing two integers of different signs, the sign of their product or quotient is negative. According to the rule says positive times positive is equal to positive. Negative times negative is equal to positive. Positive times negative is equal to negative. Pwede ring baliktad. Negative times positive is equal to negative. Now let us proceed to division. Positive divided by positive is equal to positive. Negative divided by negative is equal to positive. Positive divided by negative is equal to negative. Or pwede rin baliktad. Negative divided by positive is equal to negative. Now, let us proceed to some examples. Find the product. Number 1, positive 3 times positive 8. So, as you can see, pareho silang positive. Then, we will use rule number 1. So, positive 3 times positive 8 is equal to positive 24. Let's proceed to number 2. Negative 5 times negative 4. So, this time, pareho silang negative. We will use rule number 1. So, negative 5 times negative 4 is equal to positive 20. For number 3, positive 6 times negative 7. So, they have different sign. So, we will use rule number 2. So, positive 6 times negative 7 is equal to negative 42. So, let's proceed to number 4. So, negative 12 times positive 3. Just like what we did in number 3, we will use rule number 2. So, negative 12 times positive 3 is equal to negative 36. So, punta naman tayo sa division. So, find the quotient. Number 1, positive 36 divided by positive 6. So, pareho silang positive. So, we will use rule number 1. So, positive 36 divided by positive 6 is equal to positive 6. For number 2, negative 100 divided by negative 4. So, they have the same sign which is negative. So, we will use rule number 1. So, negative 100 divided by negative 4 is equal to positive 25. Number 3, we have positive 44 divided by negative 11. So, magkaiba sila ng sign. So, we will use rule number 2. So, positive 44 divided by negative 11 is equal to negative 4. Number 4, negative 25 divided by positive 5. So, magkaiba uli sila ng sign. So, gagamitin natin ang rule number 2. So, negative 25 divided by 5 is equal to negative 5. So, this is how we multiply and divide integers. Remember, don't forget the rules. We have rule 1 and rule 2. Multiplying or dividing two integers of the same sign, the sign of their product or quotient is positive. For rule number 2, multiplying or dividing two integers of different signs, the sign of their product or quotient is negative.